Good morning. Big breakfast happening around here today. Well, not super big, but pretty big. Hash browns, sausage, fried eggs. Well, we're gonna do fried eggs first, then scrambled. So yeah, sausage, eggs, hash browns, and toast. Anytime hash browns are involved, I feel like it's a big breakfast. They do make it good. Well, go let your friends out. We had a few escapees when we let Miss Turkey out this morning. It's pretty chilly out here today. We had a few more snow flurries earlier today. Look what she did. I'm glad I saw that, y'all. I mean, it was laying right there, almost camouflage. Y'all ready? Here you go. What do we got in here today? Little pink and a couple under there. Yummy, yummy. Coming out here to let the kids ride their bikes for a little bit before it's time to cook supper. Hello, Miss Turkey. Hold up, you got a piece of Christmas tree stuck to you. How did that even get on there?
I don't know.
I think it's cloudy enough out here to turn your light on. You want your light on?
Yeah.
I got them these little lights from Walmart to put on their wheels. Can y'all see it lighting up? Miss Turkey's coming to look at it. There you go. You done now?
Yeah, I want it to weigh so fast.
You want it to go fast?
Yeah, I want it to go smooth too. But a bicycle is smooth.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Is that the stopper?
Right here. These are the stoppers on your handles right here.
I didn't know mine had that.
Yeah.
Well, can you clean off the rust on it?
It's not rust. That's just dirt. It's just dirt and mud from where it has been so rainy out here, huh? I'm gonna tell you what, that bicycle got me some exercise for Christmas. All right, y'all, chicken and dumplings is what's for supper tonight. I already got this chicken pretty much done. I just boiled it. Now I'm putting just a little bit of vegetable oil in the bottom of this pot. We're gonna put it in here and brown it just a little. So as soon as that heats up, we'll put the chicken in. I'm gonna grab an onion and some carrots. Oh, you got it! There's your spoon, Samson. What? Oh, the tablecloth? No, I don't think it's yogurt proof. He's talking about my tablecloth. If you drop some, we can wash it. It's okay. Yeah? Yeah, I have one just like it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the pot now. And we'll go ahead and put in the onions that I already have sliced. And we'll chop the rest of it up and then get some carrots in here. Now for the carrots, I'm just gonna do a rough chop. We like for them to be still, you know, bigger, not little bitties.
Is this a towel?
Yeah, that's a towel. I'm gonna put a few more carrots and then we're gonna mince up 3 cloves of garlic. The carrots and onions will cook for about 3 minutes, then we'll add the garlic, let it cook for another minute. If you are having a snowy day, these chicken and dumplings are the perfect supper, or any kind of soup, of course, or chili. Now we're going to put in 5 tablespoons of butter. We'll put a teaspoon of salt and 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to add the chicken back in. We're going to add half a teaspoon of ground thyme and half a cup of heavy cream. Okay, now we'll bring this to a simmer. When it starts to simmer, we're going to add a cup and a half of frozen sweet peas. Then we'll cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. While it's cooking, we'll make the dumpling dough. Okay, before I make the dumpling dough, I'm going to wash these dishes up real quick. We're just about simmering over here. I'm going to go ahead and put in these sweet peas. You can leave the sweet peas out if you hate them. I know some people hate them. Just like the chicken pot pie, I could do without the sweet peas, but Titus and the kids love them, so we add them in. Okay, got the peas in there. We'll bring that back up to a simmer. We're simmering over here, so I'm going to cover that. For the dumplings, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We like a lot of dumplings, so I'm going to make a half more than the recipe called for, so I'm going to do 3 cups. We need a tablespoon of baking powder, but I'm going to put 1.5 since we're doing a little bit more. Almost a teaspoon of salt. I'll have the original recipe down below for y'all. A little bit of pepper. And now some heavy cream. So that's it for the dough. Whenever it's been about 15 minutes on the soup part over here, we'll just scoop out some little dumplings with our cookie scoop, drop them in, then we cover it and let those cook for about 15 minutes. Let them simmer on low for about 15 minutes. When you're dropping in the dumplings, you don't want them to touch. So I just drop them, you know, far away from each other. Then I'll give it a little stir. That way those go down to the bottom a little bit. They won't go all the way to the bottom, but they'll go down some. Then I'll put some more on top. But if they touch, they're all going to stick together and you'll have a chicken and dumpling pot pie looking thing, which would still taste good. You'll just have one big thing of dough on top. And you can do these bigger if you want bigger dumplings. We like them about this size. I have had the big dough thing on top happen before. It's fine. You just cut it apart and do it that way. Okay, we'll stir those last ones down in here. And in 15 minutes, we'll be ready to eat. Brotherly love of teamwork, helping uncover his puzzle. I think for sure by tomorrow night you'll have it. This is that water tank thing, isn't it? Yeah, that's that water tank right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that motivation. Now that motivates you, right? Just to continue. No?
Good night, y'all.